Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix Logitech G-Hub stuck on loading screen. Firstly, run a G-Hub as an administrator. Click Start, search Logitech G-Hub and right-click and run as an administrator, then click Yes when prompted by User Account Control. Secondly, end G-Hub processes in Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look for these processes like LG-Hub, LG-Hub Agent, LG-Hub Updater. Right-click on each and then End Task. Relaunch G-Hub as administrator. And finally, restart LG-Hub Updater service. Open services by pressing Windows plus R and type in services.msc, then press Enter. Find LG Hub Updater service, then right-click on it, then Stop, then right-click again, and then Start. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.